Folks, welcome back to our show, Flame of Chefs. Tonight's special guest is a famous chef from Italy who is also the author of the best-selling cookbook titled Spoon of Italy and is the head chef of Tomato House. Please welcome Chef Solfonzo. Thanks for being here tonight.
My pleasure, Jim.
Folks, I guarantee this is going to be great.
Ladies and gentlemen, the secret recipe that I will be revealing tonight is called Slapperoni Rotatini sul Pastigliento, and it is easy peasy tomato squeezy. Let's get straight to it. The first part of the recipe calls for the creation of a very fine sauce using sauteed carrots, Before adding in the carrots, we have to make sure the pan is piping hot for the best results, We want to give them about 5 minutes, I like to enhance the flavor with a little bit of Postolini wine,
Wow, that smells so good already. Can't wait to try it.
Let's move on to the meat. When making your cut in the meat, it is very important that you...
Whoa. Whoa, Chef Solfonzo, are you okay? That was a pretty deep cut.
I'm really not sure if I'm okay. I guess we will find out. Come in.
Mr. Solfonzo?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jimenezson, infectious disease specialist.
It's about time I see a doctor.
How are you feeling?
Like overcooked spaghetti.
Sorry, not really sure what that's supposed to mean.
Terrible.
Anyways, you might remember getting your blood drawn earlier.
Of course. How can I forget that? They promised me a little poke to get a little bit of blood. Well, guess what? It was not a little poke. It was a big needle jabbed straight into my bones. And the amount of blood they took, mamma mia! It was more than spaghetti sauce in a jar.
I am sure it wasn't pleasant, but the work these guys do carries huge diagnostic value. Let's do a quick catalase test here. And it's positive. We got some beta hemolysis here. Yep, Staph aureus. I ordered 2 sets of blood cultures.
So you're the villain.
Down in the lab, the microbiologist took a close look at your blood. Turns out you got an infection from that knife injury you reported.
Of course, it's my luck.
You got a pretty bad case of septicemia. The bacteria is everywhere in your blood. They identified it as Staphylococcus aureus.
Sounds like something I would name my next dish.
You also went into DIC, and your blood pressure dropped quite a bit.
Just like my net worth.
We got you started on intravenous cefazolin. It's an antibiotic.
It would be better if you got me an intravenous cappuccino. I'm feeling a little bit low on energy.
The good news is, I can have the nurse order you a cappuccino from the cafeteria if you'd like. The bad news is, looks like you'll be staying with us for quite some time.
Sweet pepperonis! Are you joking? But I have cook shows coming up. I can't miss them.
I'm sorry. There's not much I can do about it.
I guess I learned my lesson. Better to be extra careful when cutting raw meat.
Alright. Well, take care, Mr. Solfonzo. It was nice meeting you.
Thank you, Dr. Jimenezson.
Oh, and Mr. Solfonzo, I forgot to mention, we scheduled you for a...
Medical alert. Missing adult patient last seen on 7 West wearing a striped gown. Patient is an angry male, 5'11", with dark slicked hair, a mustache, and lots of chest hair.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am back. Let's continue.